Walay pagod.
She tastes like cola.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir, ma'am, maayong buntag. Ako rin si Corporal Hector Biatingo, represented headquarters company.
I-cheer po ninyo. Grabe nung nag-headquarters. Mahal kayo ba? Mayong buntag sa tanan. Ako di IC. Aina Maxime Lopez representing Headquarters Company! Alright! Music direction. Headquarters Company, now let's welcome the Muse and Twins of Alpha Company! Naniniwala sa kasabihan, aanhin mo ang magic sarap kung ang tunay na sarap sa Alpha Company mo lang malang. Wow! Sana all! Nakita mo ko! Representatives from Bravo Company!
She tastes like
Iba talaga ang all!
Ayun sana.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Private Campayos from Bravo Company!
If you believe, you can achieve. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Leia Ordinaria, proudly representing Team Bravo! Alright! The people kay kayo ang Bravo! I'm hardworking ang eyes. Okay, thank you so much. Company. Red man. Wala, ang bilis na po. Nagabot na. Ang bilis na po, nagabot na. Now let's welcome the
she tastes like cola. Sugar cola. Sip on her lips, she's serving on a drink.
May buntag sa tayo, ma'am, sir. Pepsi Remark, gano'n yan. From Charlie Company!
Good morning, everyone. I am Jesselyn Catian, 21 years
Old.
representing Charlie Conqueror Company. Yes! And I say, dumilat ka para makita mong mahal kita. Tapos, ako na lang pipikit para hindi ko makitang may mahal ka ng iba. Yan. Mga yana daw kayo, basta di ka daw Charlie Company. Ako
Biglang umulan. Biglang umulan na. Wala. Ano nangyari? Ano sana?
Ah, she can't, can I try to
Nagampali talaga. Bikutan.
Good morning, ma'am sir. Ako na si Kaana Bua from Delta Company.
Good day, everyone. I am Jaren Jean Escueta Azel, trainee, proudly representing Delta Team.
Ang iya.
Alright, let's welcome Shara to Pink Panthers.
Kailangan ko sa ilang corner. Wow! I love the palang
Likod ka, sa likod ka. Kana, 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 na, sa likod ka. Oh, kana.
Ano sana?
Cause she can't, can I try to you have to be shy. Show me
Magbutang sa kanan, I'm Corporal Lumpayaw, a.k.a. Pugset. Papugsita ko na isa lang. Representing Sino!
Standing in front of you is a lady who was brave enough to face this beauty.